all the department students. Okay, make videos of duration at least 5 minutes. Okay, what videos we will make? A videos actually a subject C programming, C programming, mathematics definition definition, not more than 30 minutes, 40 minutes like a lecture, just 5 minutes video or anything, whatever you wish. Okay, make a video of 5 minutes. మీరు కనుక 5 minutes వీడియో తయారు చేయలేకపోతున్నాను అంటే కనుక 3 reasons ఉంటాయి. ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే మీరు చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, చాలా బిజీ, మీకు వీడియోస్ చేసే టైం కూడా లేదు. ఓకే, కొత్తగా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు 24 hours ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ వింటూ ఉన్నారు, ఇంకో వర్క్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు, ఇంకోటి చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, చాలా బిజీ. ఎంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా సరే రేపు ఇంటర్వ్యూ మీకు కనుక ఇప్పటి నుంచి కనుక అలవాటు చేసుకుంటే, ఓకే, చిన్న వీడియోస్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్లో మీ ఛానల్లో పోస్ట్ చేయడం అలవాటు చేస్తే కనుక రేపు మీరు కనుక ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్తే కనుక మీకంటే ముందు మీరు చేసిన వీడియోసే ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడతాయి. ఓకే, they will recognize he is a person so and so doing this work like that. They will recognize these videos. Okay, first, okay, your identity will be increased. Whenever if you go outside means others will see means they will easily identify you. Just your recognition will be more if you prepare. This is not a part of your job. This is a part of your life. Okay, making this one as part of your life. Second one, okay, నాకు చేయాలని ఉంది, వీడియో చేయాలనే ఉంది. ఓకే, నాకు దగ్గర టాపిక్ ఉంది, మంచి కాంటెంట్ ఉంది, కానీ నేను చేయడానికి రిసోర్సెస్ లేవు. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్ యువర్. సెకండ్ రీజన్, నాకు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలో తెలియదు. పుట్టిన ప్రతి బేబీకి ఫస్ట్ లోనే వీడియో ఎలా తయారు చేయాలనే రాదు. జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ లెర్నబుల్ స్కిల్. జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ 2 or 3 days, you can easily know what softwares you are using. In YouTube also how to make videos means number of channels is there. Okay, just it is a learnable skill. If you learn 2 or 3 days means, okay, you will acquire this skill. Okay, how to prepare videos. Next, third one, videos చేయలేకపోవడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ రీజన్ బద్ధకం. నాకెందుకులే, ఏదో ఒకటి చూద్దాం, ఈ రోజు గడిస్తే చాలు, జస్ట్ లేజినెస్. ఓకే, if you overcome these 3 problems, you can easily make videos. Okay, if you prepare videos of 5 minutes duration of any topic, if you forward those videos to your HOD means, we will arrange that video can be played during the lectures at the time of online classes. Okay, I am expecting at least some of you may prepare videos concern your subjects or anything, any others or any innovative things, and send to your HOD. Not only HOD, in post in your YouTube channel, give that link to HOD. HOD will take live stream to all other students of our college or your branch, basing on the type of your video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hello students. In yesterday class I was discussed the small introduction about the priority encoder. Now I will give the full-fledged details about the priority encoder. So please observe carefully. This is very important topic. Definitely this question will be asked in JNTK exam. So priority encoder. So two priority encoder. There are 4 inputs, 2 outputs. So 4 inputs are Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, and 2 outputs are A0 and A1. So for example, we have to take one organization. This organization, the first priority will be the principal. The next priority will be the HODs. The next priority will be the staff. The last priority will be the student. This manner, I have to design the truth table. You have to observe. Here we the value order-wise we are giving. Priority is there on that output. We will put 1 on the output side. This is the order-wise. So the last input of encoder 1, the coded available output will be valued only. That means V equal to 1. In case here there is no priority because there is no principal HOD, is just it is the initial stage. So that's why we are putting 0 0 for the output. There is no priority there. That's why value output will be 0. Here priority is there 1 first. this is converted into 0 0. So priority is that, that's why we are putting one here. Next one is the HOD. Here there is no principal. Here after that HOD is there. The second priority. This is the Y1. We are putting 0 1. Priority is there. That's why we are put one here. Next staff is there. But HOD and the principal is not available. So after that staff. So now the priority is there. That's why we are putting one here. Here 1 0. The last one is the staff students. The priority that's why we are putting one here 1 1. Like here, this one is the 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Like 2 1 code. So we have to observe clearly. So based on the truth table, we have to generate the equation. Based on equation, it generate the design the circuit diagram. Please observe. I will explain one condition. So here this A will be active. That means A1 will be active. That means 1x is the our condition. 1x x. That means I was already discussed in yesterday class. Here double x means 0 0 is there, 0 1 is there, 1 1 is 1 0 is there, and 1 1 is there. That means 1 1 1 1. This is the value of 4. This is the value of 5. This is the value of 6. This is the value of 7. Again, you have to observe clearly. Again, here also 1 is there. So that means 1 triple x. We are note down the 1 x x x triple x. It means total 7 possible conditions are there. We are applying the 4 to 1 4 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Next 0 1 1. This is the value of 0 1 2 3. Next one is the 4, and next one is the 5, and next one is the 6, and last one is the 7. Here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is the value of 8, value of 9, value of 10, because again we are converting using 8 4 to 1. We are converting using 8 4 to 1 basis. This is the value of 8, value of 9, 10, value of 11, value of 12, value of 13, value of 14, value of 15. So I have, this is the values for the A1. So how to generate the equation means we are applying those values, so you're using K-map. I was already discussed in K-map. 2 variable K-map is there, 3 variable K-map is there, 4 variable K-map is there. Here 0 total 4 to 15. That means it has 4 variable K-map. In the 3 variable K-map means values between 0 to 7. 4 variable K-map means values between 0 to 15. Here values between the last value will be the 15. That's why we are using the 4 variable K-map. I was designed the 4 variable K-map. So please, this is the 4 variable K-map. That means total 16 cells are there. So here 0 0 condition, 0 1 condition, 1 0 condition, 1 1 condition. Yeah, this K-map I was already discussed. Please go to in a previous video lecture and refer the K-maps, how to design the K-maps, how to get the values. So sorry, here 1 1 condition. Sorry, here 1 1 condition, here 1 0 condition. Same thing. This is the how to get this values means we are applying the gray code value. That's why we are designing here 0 0, here 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Those values will be fixed. here what are the inputs are there in our outputs are outputs are sorry, what are the inputs are there means y3, y2, y1, y0. That's why we are designing y3, y2, y1, y0. This is the lopala. So inside values will be fixed. This is the value of 0, this is the value of 1, this is the value of 2, this is the value of 3, this is the value of 4, this is the value of 5, this is the value of 6, this is the value of 7. So this is the value of 8, this is the value of 9, this is the value of 10, this is the value of 11, this is the value of 12, this is the value of 13, this is the value of 14, this is the value of 15. Those values will be fixed in the K map. I was putting those values. We are implemented this truth table using KOP. KOP. I was put here 4 is there. So in that 4 we are designing 1. Next 5, 1. Next 6, 1. Next 7, 1. Next 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after we are putting the values, we are find out the equation for the A1. So your main thing is the grouping. Grouping means, so how many possible groups are there? Only we have to group 2 variable or 4 variable or 8 variable or 16 variable. So grouping is possible only this way or this way. That is the correct condition. We have to group cross section. This is the invalid group. We have to group 2 variable or 4 variable, this pattern. In case 4 is there, you can design 4. You can, so or 8 is there. I have to design. Please observe. Observe carefully. Here 8 total 8 variables are there. That's why we are designing the grouping the 8 variable. How to group grouping? How to note down the equation means, please observe those 8 variables are in one group. Here note down the grouping left side values and top of the values. Here this one left side value will be the 0, 0. Top value will be the 0, 0. At the same time, at the same thing, here 0, here 0, 1, here this is the 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next is the 0, 1, 1, 1. Next is the 0, 1, 1, 0. At the same time, here 1, 1 is there. You have to observe clearly. Here 1, 1 condition also there. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. So I was take another drop. Don't worry. So grouping means here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. At the same manner, 1, 1, 0, 0. Because in this one left side value will be 1, 1. Top value will be 0. Again 1, 1, 0, 1. At the same time 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So I was note down the values. Here this is the y3 value, y2 value, y1 value, y0 value. Here this one will be the common. You have to observe. This is the one will be occurred in the same position. That's why we are taking. So in SOP form, I was already discussed. In SOP form, letter is there. That means no bar. Only one is there. That means no bar. 1 is there. That means no bar. In case 0 is there, bar. That's why we are designing 1. This is the value of y3, this is the value of y2, this is the value of y1, this is the value of y0. That's why we are designing y2. At the same thing, we have to design here a0 means here 10, only 10 condition is there. You have to observe 10 means I have to explain again in here 1x, that means only 10 11. This is the value of 2, this is the value of 3. Next condition will be the, you have observed clearly, next condition will be the same one. That's why here 2 3 0 1 2 3. So we are grouping this group 8 variable. Next one is the corner mapping. Here those two ones are there, here also one is there, here also one is there. We are grouping, taking the value, find out the value. So finally you will get a0 also, this is the value. So next to a1 also is v also is there, e. So this value already we have find out to do. This value also we have find out to do. This value also we have find out to do. This is the value of 1. So we are applying a k-map, find out the value. Based on the value we have to design the circuit diagram. That is the priority encoder. Next we are discussing the mux and demux. We have observed clearly mux and demux are the important. Next one is the mux and demux. I will explain. One more important topic, mux and demux. So mux and demux, it is very easy in to understand the problem. So multiplexer, another name is mux or data selector. Mux is a data selector. Why? Because data selector means it has several data input lines and single output line. It accepts several data inputs and allow them only one time based on the selection lines. For example, switch is there. So switch is there. We are applying the finger for the on-off condition. Here, finger is the selection line. So we are putting on condition means the current will be passed. That condition light will be glowing. Next, we are putting off condition. We are applying 0. That means light will be not glowing. So same thing based on thing here. Mux also based on the selection line. Here we have to observe mux means this is the functional block diagram of mux. Here several data input lines, only single output. Here several data input lines. Those are the selection line inputs. Those are the selection line input. Those are very important. Based on the selection lines, output passes to the input. So I will explain clearly, don't worry. Here one form is there. Here 2 power n into 1. Here 1 is the output, 2 power n is the input, and n is the number of selection lines, number of selection line input. 2 power n into 1, that is the multiplexer. For example, n equal to 2. So we are substituting 2 power 2 into 1, that means 4 into 1. Here 4 inputs, 1 output, 2 selection line. This is the block diagram. Here 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, single output, 2 selection line. This is the block diagram for the 4 into 1 mux. I will explain clearly. First multiplexer is the 4 into 1 mux. 4 into 1 mux. I will explain only 1 mux. Please observe. Here the condition will be satisfied or not. We are checking 2 power n into 1. So 2 power 2 into 1. So here 2, because based on this n, first we are find out the selection line. Selection lines will be 2. So designing the circuit diagram, functional block diagram. 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4 selection line. output. Here inputs are the D0, D1, D2, D3, output Y, selection line always S0 and S1. I will design the functional block diagram. Here S0, S1 are the selection line inputs. Output will be the Y. First selection line means here two selection line inputs are, that means 0 0 condition, 0 1 condition, 1 1 condition, 1 0 condition, 1 1 condition. First we are applying 0 0 for the selection line. This D0 will be appear at the output. That's why D0. Next 0 1 condition D1 will be appear. Next 1 0 condition D2 will be appear. Next 1 3 condition D3 will be appear. This is the with the functional block truth table for the 4 into 1 multiplexer. So next how to design the how to find out the equation. I will explain clearly. Here y equal to, we have observed clearly here y equal to, so d output d0 s0 bar and s1 bar. Next y equal to d1 S0 bar and S1. Y equal to D2 S0 S1 bar. So D0 S0 S1 bar. D1 S0 bar S1. D2 S0 S1. Y equal to, and last one is the Y equal to D3 S0 and S1. So this is the multiplexer. So here output will be the same. That's why we are adding, we are writing like this way: Y equal to D0 S0 bar S1 bar plus D1 S0 bar S1 plus D2 S0 S1 bar plus D3 S0 and S1. Like this way we can design the we can find out the equation. Based on this equation, this is the Y value. Based on this equation, we are implementing the circuit diagram. You have to observe clearly how to design the circuit diagram. I was already told you. Here S0 and S1 are the inputs. So S0 S1. Here S0 bar S1 bar also is there. That's why we are designing the NOT gate. For the bar purpose, we are designing S0 purpose, S0 bar and S1 bar. So first D0 D0 D0. Next one is the S0 bar S1 bar. For the multiplying, we are multiplying the equation. That's why AND gate. This is the value of D0 D1. Next one is the S0 bar S1. That's why I was designing the another AND gate because multiplying. Next D1 D2, sorry D2. This is the value of D2. So S0 S1 bar. So again designing AND gate, and last one is the D3. Here S0 and S1. So sorry, this is the equation D0 S0 bar S1 bar plus is there. That means OR gate is there. That's why I was designing the both output will be connected to the OR gate input because the equation will be satisfied with the equation. That's why we are designing the OR gate. The condition will be satisfied. This is the pattern for the designing the circuit diagram. So this is the multiplexer. Next one is the 8 into 1. It has 8 into 1 mux also is there. So 8 into 1 mux I will explain. In mux also enable pin is there. That is don't worry, that is not a big issue. You can mention or not, that is your will. Here also very 8 into 1 mux is also there. 8 into 1 mux, it has 8 inputs, 1 output, 3 selection line. So 3 selection line means it has 0 0 condition to 1 condition. Based on that condition, we have to practice you have to practice yourself. In case if you are not getting the answer, I will explain. So 8 into 1 mux. So you have to practice. Okay. Next one is the 74 LS 151 design using 8 into 1 mux. Here 8 into 1 mux means here 3 inputs, 8 outputs, 3 selection lines. So based on the conditions, we have to design the circuit diagram. This is the 3 input. Whatever the input we have to apply triplex condition, enable pin will be A1. The output will be same condition. So 8 into 1 mux using 741 and LS. So this is also there in exam point of view. You have to practice. 7413 is not there. 74LS150 also is not there. So in mux point of view, so this is also very important. F of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma m of 0 1 2 4 6 9 14 and 12. So implemented using the mux. So how to design here, not mentioning the mentioning the. So this is the problem. So we have to design based on this SOP form. We can design the functional block diagram. So 0 to 14, that means 0 to 15 values are there. That means total 16. This is just like K-map, but not K-map. Almost similar to K-map. We have to observe clearly here. Total 8. So total 8 0 to 15 means total 16 values are there. That's why we are divided 16 by 2, 8. So here we have to note down D0 to D7. So 0 to 7, 8 to 15. Here 0 is there, we can round. 1 is there, round. 2 is there, round. 4 is there, round. 6 is there, round. And next 9 is there, round. Next 12 is there, round. 14 is there, rounded. Here only A bar and A. Here 0 and 1. This top of the value will be rounded. That's why we are putting A here. Both values will be rounded. That's why we are putting 1 here. Top value will be rounded, A bar. Here those two values not rounded. That's why we are putting 0 here. Here both are rounded 1. Here not rounded 0. Both are rounded 1. Not rounded 0. So here based on this one, using 4 to 1 mux. So we are designing 4 to 1 mux because this question will be asked in design using 4 to 1 mux. That's why we are designing the using 4 to 1 mux basis. We have to observe here 1 4 to 1 mux, 2 selection lines. Here also 1 4 to 1 mux, 2 selection lines. Here both 2 selection lines are started. Here 4 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 both enable pins are connected. Here 0, that means A0 means here A bar will be there in the D0 place, A bar. That's why we are designing the A bar here. Next 1 is there, that's why we are designing 1. Next condition A bar, 2 position we are designing A bar. Next 0, we are 3 in 0 designing. Next in 4th condition 0 is there, again we are designing 0, we have to observe 0. Next 1 is there, we are designing 1. Next 0 is there, we are designing 0. Next 0 is there, we are designing the 0. Based on those two values, just we are designing the a bar 0 1. You can just mention the values also, that is also correct, that is not a problem. This is the one method for the multiplexer. In the same thing, demux also is there, demultiplexer. So demultiplexer means we have to observe clearly, it is a reverse operation of the multiplexer. Demux means it is a reverse operation of the demultiplexer. I will explain clearly. So reverse operation means 1 into 2 power n. Here 1 is the input, 2 power n is the output, n is the selection line input. For example, n equal to 2, that means 1 into 2 power 2, that means 1 into 4. This is the functional block diagram. 1 input, 4 outputs, 2 selection lines. So based on this multiplexer, we are applying selection lines conditions. So selection line 0 0 means S0. So I was taking another one. S0, S1. Output will be Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So two inputs are the selection line input means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 condition. That means 0 0 means this V0 will be active, remaining all are inactive. That means this D, this is the value of D. This is the Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, S0, S1. This is the 1 into 4. 0 0 condition. This D will be appear at the output. This D will be appear at the output. Remaining all are inactive. So next 0 1 condition, the same D will be appear here only. Remaining all are inactive. Next 1 0 condition, this D will be appear here. Sorry, this is the value of 0. The D will be appear here. Remaining all are 0. 1 1 condition 0 0 0. D will be appear here, like diagonal wise we have to observe. This is the diagonal wise D will be appear. So based on this, I can design, note down that here different outputs are there. That's why y0 equal to D S0 bar S1 bar, y1 equal to D S0 bar S1. In mux we are adding because only single output. Here we don't add because different outputs. That's why we are designing y2 equal to D S0 S1 bar, y3 equal to D S0 S1. Here how to design the circuit diagram I will explain. So here this is the D, this is the S0, this is the S1. So not bars also there. That's why we are designing the NOT gate here. Here also I am designing the NOT gate here. So D, where the first D will be there. That's why we are designing D, S0 bar, S1 bar, AND gate. So this is the value of Y0. Next D is there, where I was designing single line. Next S0 bar, S1, another AND gate. So this is the value of Y1. Next D is there, S0, S1 bar. This is the value of y2. Next D is there. Next S0 and S1. The value of y3. This is the, like this way we have to design the circuit diagram. Next 1 into 8 marks also there. Same thing. You have to practice the practice. You have to design the 1 into 8 multiplexer. If you have any doubts, I will clarify in the next video, next Zoom interaction classes. Thank you. Thank you to one and all.